Good morning, beautifuls. Just want to share a couple of more tips and tricks on blazing a trail with your blazer. I've been talking about this for years and years, and I'm going to put this back because I was deciding, do I want some more bling this morning? This is my beautiful, most favorite on the planet bling is Complot, and they've got the most incredible collections. Anything from $20 to $3,000, something for everyone, but I'm not going to go with that this morning. So blazing a trail is getting a little chilly where I am over here. I'm probably going to put a longer necklace on. I like to layer my necklaces. I've had this velvet blazer for probably, I'd say, 12, 13 years. I bought it. I'll tell you where when I take it off in a minute. It's nice and structured. Can you see the tailoring? Can you see, yes, shoulder pads. Are shoulder pads in fashion? According to whom? According to me, they are on the day that I wear them. So forget about the rules. Forget about that, can I wear this? It's like, learn to train your eye on your body shape and what works for you and the capsule wardrobe and all of that stuff that we talk about on a regular basis. If you're not in school.com, come on over. That's where you get something every single day, and we've got more stuff coming, exciting stuff coming. So blazing a trail is just going to take your jeans and tee or your jeans and tank top. This is from Walmart. When I was there in Dallas recently, was it Dallas? Chicago, Dallas. And I love Walmart for basics like this. I've got two of these, one in a different color. This is in charcoal. I think I've got like a deeper kind of like charcoal, almost black. And it's a swing cami. It's sleeveless, and so it just goes great. You can tuck it in. If you've got a nice tummy, it's flat and it's all that, that's great. With a little belt is super. I don't have that flat tummy, which is why I go floaty on the top. It's a little bit longer at the back, which I like. And then I've got some of my favorite boots on, block heels. It's getting cold. These are comfy. If you don't like or you can't wear heels, block heels like this, that's a block heel, and wedges are your next best friend. So you can do lots of different things, okay? So let's say it's not as chilly here today. You can go for something like a little cropped jacket over your longer little cami. Look how easy this is, okay? So if you're tucking it in, you put a nice classy belt there, just creates a couple of layers, something a little bit different. Don't forget your dash of bold on the lips, and it just switches up and takes up a notch your plain jeans and tee or your jeans and cami outfit, and it just makes it a little more interesting. If you don't want a dash of bold on the lips, then you go for a dash of bold on your blazer. Okay, this is less structured. It's just an easy throw on. Tuck it in or put your belt on, and there you walk in. And fashion is a connector. It's a color. We are all wired for color.